Hi, in this video, we are unboxing this high-performance Dahua WizSense network video recorder, part of the professional Dahua CCTV systems lineup. This model is the Dahua NVR5432, which supports up to 4 hard drives and allows up to 32 channels of Dahua CCTV cameras input. It also boasts powerful AI features, SMD+ for accurate human and vehicle detection, perimeter protection, and face recognition. These intelligent capabilities transform raw video data into actionable security insights, making your Dahua CCTV system smarter and more efficient. Now, let's open the packaging and start inspecting the accessories. We see the NVR unit securely positioned in protective foam. We'll first retrieve and check the accessories box. First up is the 3-pin AC power cord for power supply. This Dahua NVR features an internal power design, requiring only the standard power cable. Next, we have the blue SATA data and power cables for connecting hard drives. There are 4 sets, sufficient for all the drive bays, perfect if you're using up to 4 surveillance-grade hard drives. Next to them is the pink bag containing the user manuals, installation guides, and warranty documents. Then, in this small accessory pack, we see silver and black screws for securing the hard drives and casing. We also have the mounting brackets for rack installation and the green alarm terminal blocks, used to connect external sirens or sensors for enhanced protection. Of course, there's the essential Ethernet cable for network connectivity and a wired USB mouse for local operation and configuration. Finally, we remove the NVR main unit. Let's flip it over to inspect the rear panel interfaces. You can see the power inlet, network ports, HDMI/VGA video outputs, and the alarm terminal area we mentioned earlier. Great! All accessories and the main unit have been showcased. Next up, we'll install the surveillance-grade hard drives and power up the system for network and AI configuration. Your Dahua CCTV system is about to go live, ready to deliver reliable, intelligent, and high-quality security performance. For genuine Dahua NVRs and Dahua CCTV cameras, visit Smarket, your trusted Australia CCTV supplier offering authentic products, a 3-year warranty, and expert local support. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the full install video. See you next time.